What's the difference, coefficients versus variables in algebra? Have you ever wondered what makes up an algebraic expression? Today, we are going to break down two key components, coefficients and variables. Understanding these terms is essential for anyone looking to master algebra. First, let's talk about variables. A variable is a symbol, often a letter like X, Y, or Z. It represents an unknown value or a value that can change. For instance, in the expression 5x minus 3, the letter is the variable. Its value can vary depending on the situation. This flexibility allows us to write general expressions and solve problems where the exact number is not yet known. Now let's move on to coefficients. A coefficient is the number that multiplies the variable in a term. It tells us how many times the variable is counted or scaled. In the same expression, 5x minus 3, the number 5 is the coefficient of x. This means that is multiplied by 5. If you see a variable without a number in front, the coefficient is understood to be 1. For example, in the term x, the coefficient is 1. To summarize the difference, the variable is the letter representing an unknown or changing value, while the coefficient is the fixed number multiplying that variable. In algebraic expressions, terms are made up of coefficients and variables combined. For example, in 3x squared plus 4x plus 7, 3 and 4 are coefficients. The 3 multiplies x squared, and the 4 multiplies x. The x and x squared are variables raised to powers, while 7 is a constant term with no variable. Understanding the difference between coefficients and variables is important for simplifying expressions, solving equations, and working with polynomials. Coefficients scale variables, while variables representing values that can change or be solved for. This distinction is particularly useful when you identify terms in an expression or perform operations like addition or multiplication on algebraic expressions. It also helps when solving equations by isolating variables. By recognizing coefficients and variables, learners can better grasp how algebraic expressions are constructed and manipulated. This makes the subject more approachable and easier to understand. So next time you see an algebraic expression, remember the roles of coefficients and variables, and you will be on your way to mastering algebra.